Assalamu alaikum, lovely student, and welcome back to English with alomgir Kabir. So today in this video lesson, I will try to my best to teach you something best. So today I will discuss a very important thing that is very helpful for the beginner, those who are now at the beginner stage. I will say that this video will be very helpful for you. At the same time, you can get much benefited from these video classes. So today I will make a conversation and I will ask some question, you will repeat and you will try to answer of that question. So if you want to be a fluent speaker and speak English, the time you have to practice regularly, and first of all you have to across the first stage, the beginner level. So today I will ask some question and in 2 or 3 seconds you will get answer and you will try to answer. Okay, so don't let get start. First of all, this conversation will be held on the beginning stage. Okay, how are you? What's your name? Do you have any nickname? What's your favorite hobby? Where are you from? How many members in your family? What about your study? Okay, thank you for answering all this question. Inshallah, if you can give answer of my question, I supposed to tell you that you are able to speak in English. So thank you for enjoying this video classes. So in the next time I will make more video in this way that you can be benefited for my video classes. And don't forget to follow our channel and page. The name of our YouTube channel is Daily 1 Hour English. So you can follow our channel and be benefited. So thank you for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.